would tell you, whenever you miss a spice, just add ginger and it will make up for all. Good morning, my green friends. Let's talk about a very popular plant, the ginger plant. The ginger plant is a fragrant flowering rhizome plant. Its root is used as a high heat quotient, earthy flavored spice. Ginger surely tests your patience if you want to grow it. They say that ginger originated in Australasia, but it's widespread in all cuisines where heat is loved as a spice factor. We've been sowing ginger in surplus spaces throughout summers. They are very easy to grow and practically a no-care plant. However, they grow extremely slowly and it takes 8 to 9 months to be ready for digging. Ginger flowers are pale yellow and the plant has a leafy rolled stem, as you can see here. India has led the world by growing 40% of the world's ginger production. If you grow ginger at home or on organic farms, you will be able to use the scraped skin for flavoring your tea as well. And where do we use it in the kitchen? Well, where not? In India, we use it in curries, soups, veggies, salads, jam, pickles, tea and so much more. It is also present in several grandma's recipes of local medicines. Trust me, it's a must in the meat-based dishes. Totally irreplaceable. Except for a heartburn, I've hardly noticed any side effects of ginger. Rather, ginger is known to be high in potassium, magnesium and vitamin B6 and hardly any dietary fiber and fats. Grow them in bags, planters or directly in the soil and you'll always gain. No reason for avoiding its gardening. Go ahead and let's see some ginger in your gardens now. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and see you soon for much more to come.